welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be installing M491 wheels for the BMW X3 F25. They are 10 by 20 plus 40 for the fronts, and a whopping 11 by 20 plus 37 in the back. So the back is going to have a 315 tire. These are from an MX5, so it's going to hopefully fit, but we'll see. So let's go. Let's do it. Let's try it. Also, guys, you're gonna have to buy these hub-centric rings for the wheels, okay, to transfer it over from 72.6 to 74.1, okay, for the hub bore, okay. So to put any X5 wheel on an X3, the hub is a little bit bigger on the X5 wheels, so buy these rings, so and then they'll fit no problem. Perfect fitment. So the wheels fit perfectly. No space is required for the front or the rear. There's clearance. There's no rubbing whatsoever. It's perfect. They look so beefy in the back. They're super wide. It makes the car look so much better. I recommend anybody who wants to do it. 2015 to 2017, I believe, those years there for the X3 F25, those wheels will fit. No problem whatsoever. As well, that's it. We'll see you next time on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.